Hey guys, this is Jojo dancer ZOLINA. This is a how to groove. And this is the root and foundation of dance. If you don't understand this, you will never be a better dancer. So we're gonna do it with the beat when we go to the bass line, all right? Now that you understand how to expand your ribs and then also engaging your core, we're gonna move into isolations. We're gonna work on going forward, up, and when you move forward your chest, you're flexing your upper back, and then when you go back, you have to like squeeze your collarbone. All right, and then after that, you have to expand on your right ribs and then engaging your left oblique muscle, switching into the other side. So expanding your left ribs and then engaging your right oblique muscle. So you get that full isolation. Get used to this, how to breathe properly with it, and then you need to go around with it. So isolate from going forward, going to the right, going back and left. You do that really slow, and then you switch it to the other side, and then you have to go around with it, okay, to the beat. Make sure you understand how to breathe with it. Breathe in and breathing out. All right, get used to it. Take time. So this time we're gonna work on body rolls. You're gonna stand 2-inch or 3-inch away from the wall, and then this one will help you understand the alignment of your body. Pushing your pelvis forward into your chest, into your head. Go into neutral position. You do that a few times, get used to it, so you understand the isolations from head to your hips, bending your knees, and then you going up and back to neutral position. Thank you guys for watching my body roll exercise, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a comment. I want to hear everything what you guys are doing, your progression, and please press like if you like the video, and also if you want to reach out, hit the description down below, and I'll see you for the next exercise again. Okay, peace.